How to unblock someone on Instagram that has blocked you. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock anyone on Instagram, even if they've already blocked you. So if when you go to unblock someone, you can't find them because they blocked you, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily get around that and unblock them. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone and navigate to our profile. So select the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you're on your profile, select the three horizontal bars in the top right to open the menu. And then we just want to select Settings. Once we're in Settings, select Privacy. And then once we're in Privacy, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see Blocked Accounts under Connections. So once you get into blocked accounts, this will show all the accounts that you have blocked on Instagram, even if they blocked you. So all you need to do is find that account you want to unblock, select Unblock next to them. Once you do that, it'll give you a quick message that just says that you will unblock them and they will be able to see your post. So go ahead and confirm unblock. And there you go. You have now unblocked that account. All right, so that's how you unblock people on Instagram that have blocked you. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.